Hi everyone, it's Denise with Wondubar Crafts. I am here to do a redo on the the Avocado Dyed Valentines paper pack that I was giving away. Unfortunately, the last winner did not reach out to me, and I even commented on one of her comments on another video and asked her to check it out, but apparently she did not. Either that or she just decided to leave it for someone else. So another um, individual is going to win this. So I'm going to use the YouTube random comment picker. Here is the video that for the giveaway that you were supposed to comment on. So let's highlight and copy that. And I'm coming over here to the random comment picker. I'm going to paste the YouTube channel in there, filter duplicate users, and here is my comments. There are 40. So let's go ahead and pick another winner. So good luck, everyone. And the winner is Lori Goodman, and she says, I love your new kit. I'm getting things together to make a journal. I don't have any Dragonfly themed journals. Maybe a custom would be in order, which that is the journal I'm currently working on. And she says, I love your avocado dye. I will be stocking your shop soon for papers. Big hugs. So there you go, Lori. Get a hold of me. When you see this through Etsy, and I already have your address, sweetie, just shoot a message to me to let me know that you were the winner, so I can kind of make it official, and then I'll get it mailed out to you. Congratulations. Thank you everyone for supporting me. Thank you everyone for entering. I love you all. You guys have just been an amazing support group for me, and I appreciate each and every one of you. And I hope to be having another giveaway soon because I'm really close to 500. So when I get to that point, we'll do another giveaway. All right. So until next time, guys, plenty of hugs, loves, and blessings. Mwah. Love you all.